Hello everyone, myself Professor Vijay Shankar Pasupreddy. I am the Program Coordinator for Professional Diploma in Semiconductor Technology Chip Design. I also happen to be the head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, IIT Bhubaneswar. I am very excited to talk about the unique Semiconductor Technology Chip Design Program that is being offered by IIT Bhubaneswar in collaboration with MOSart Labs. So I will be talking about the six unique features of this program, which are better in many ways compared to other programs in the industry. The first unique feature is the comprehensive curriculum. So this program has a comprehensive curriculum that covers all the VLSI fundamentals, starting from VLSI fabrication, semiconductor devices, analog IC design, digital IC design, IC design for verification, and all the CMOS process steps are covered in the curriculum. In addition, students will get a choice to choose their specialization in the first semester itself, and also they will do mini project, and in the second semester they will have the opportunity to do 3 advanced courses which are industry relevant. So compared to the other programs that are there in the industry, this program offers unique features which are skill oriented and industry relevant and with a holistic approach. So in this way, this comprehensive curriculum of this semiconductor technology and chip design is unique in the industry. The second key feature of this program is expert lectures. This program was taught by IIT professors, IIT alumni and MOSart Labs industry professionals with lots of experience in the real time in the industry. So that makes it unique in many aspects. Compared to other programs that are in the market, this combination of academia and industry coming together and offer unique skill-oriented semiconductor technology and chip design program. The third unique feature which I would like to talk about is the hands-on experience. The people admitted into this program will work on state-of-the-art EDA tools, and they will get the exposure to the laboratories at IIT Bhubaneswar with a unique immersion program that will make them ready for the industry. And the fourth unique feature which I would like to highlight is the flexibility and accessibility. Since this is an online program, so students will get an opportunity to access the technologies, tools from anywhere, and in their own pace, they could complete their mini project, they complete their industry-oriented assignments and tests. So that makes the program very much flexible compared to other programs which are there in the industry. And the fifth unique feature is the industry collaboration. So the MOSart Lab, founded by people with lots of industry experience, and the IIT professors coming together and running this semiconductor technology and chip design, makes the program outcomes more job oriented, and those who are aiming for research studies abroad also get an unique opportunity to upgrade their skills and ready for as an expert industry professionals for the booming semiconductor industry. The sixth unique feature about this program is the recognition and certification. A professional diploma program from IIT Bhubaneswar is highly recognized, and a certification from IIT Bhubaneswar will help the student or a working professional to get a decent job in the semiconductor industry. That will also help them if they are going to pursue higher studies in India or abroad, even going for a research studies in India or abroad. I'm very happy to talk about this program, and we welcome all you to this program, and we also welcome you to IIT Bhubaneswar and its Semiconductor Technology and Chip Design Lab. Thank you very much.